What I'm gonna do today, I'm not sure what's gonna be better, the sledge or the regular small little, hammer. But we're gonna break the little tabs off the forms here. These little, I got it's like flat stock looking stuff. I've seen some of these other places. So these ones I think you hit sideways. This stuff right here you bash them sideways, and then the other stuff, those ones you just smash down, I believe. So let me do something. Let me look at my phone. I want to say the concrete's been set for 2 weeks. I'll tell the date in 1 second. So June 19th. Yeah, what the hell day is that? So the 20th is when they pull the forms off. And oh, the dumb dog's gonna go in the fucking pit. Good thing. So now it's the 30th, so it's been about 10 days roughly, the 20th. So I've only had 10 days. They say you can leave it on there for up to a freaking month, but everybody's getting itchy around here. Hold on, let me get my glove. So yeah, I got, a month. So the actual the concrete guy said you could do it the next day. Well, that didn't work. That's bent. That sucked. That's the way my day's gonna go. It's gonna be a long fucking day. Sideways. Sideways is the way to break it, so now I gotta bust this one. I don't want to hit my wall because I'm a pussy. That one's snapping off. Let's try the sledge, see what we can do. That wasn't too bad. So the sledge works a little better. I don't want to scar my concrete. You see I nicked it there because I'm an idiot. But yeah, I'm going to speed it up. Let's try these flat ones, huh? My friend told me that I should rack that to the side, so hopefully you guys can see me. Couple whacks. I've never done this before. My main thing is you spend 40 or 50 G's on concrete, and I don't even want to touch it. I'd leave the things. Maybe some zombies will get stuck to it. But if I left them, it'd be my luck that they'd rust out and I'd have a big ass hole or crack in the wall. But I don't know nothing about concrete. So I just feel that I don't want to break nothing on my concrete. But yeah, guys, I'm going to speed it up. So thanks for watching, and yeah, hope you enjoy. It's 6:57 in the morning. Just got off of work. Let's make it happen. Thanks, guys. Well, the next stuff we're going to be doing now, I broke all them tabs off, took about 2 hours, and I'm going to put this roof and foundation coating on. This is some, it's like tar based, so I'm going to put that around the whole actual house part, not the garage. The builder said we probably didn't need it on the garage. Other people on the internet, you guys might do with that. We'll see where we go. That'll be my last area, because if I run out, I gotta run to the store to go get some more and stuff. It says this stuff does about 250 square foot per can, so we'll see how it goes. I cleaned it up, I dusted it off with a brush and everything, so I was just gonna go out there and see what I gotta do. But yeah, thanks guys.